The soap. No, grab the soap. Grab the soap first. And then, put it all over the hand. And then, watch it like this. Okay, watch like this first. This one. And then, grab. Grab faster. And then, do this. Okay. Other hand. And then, this one. Do it like this. No. Very good. Tap and then, this one. The wrist. Okay, another one. Then, grab for the final part. Then, banlaw. Okay. Very good. Yay. Next. Very okay. Wash your first. No, water first. Okay. Water. Then grab the soap. Grab it. Put over here. And then here. And then no. Just do this. Then, okay, here ka. Then, that way. Yay, very good. Another one. Kabilang kamay. Yes. Then, do this.
May video.
Pero picture pa din po ha.
Dito ako banda sa unahan.
Okay,
Ay, galing.
Done. Tapos, this one. This way. Green, this way. Green. Dito sa wrist. Dito. Sabon mo.
Kahit isa-isa lang?
Opo. Kahit isa-isa lang po para hindi mag-full storage. The other one. Dito. Yan. Yung mga lalaki atang may stress ako. Paano natin sinihado?
Pasensya ka na kung
Tapos dito na ako. Tapos, yan. And then, banlaw. Dapat walang bula, okay?
You wait.
Okay. More.
Kaya mo lang na sa style.
Okay. Ganun.
Bigyan mo siya ng bago.
Very good.
No